seaweed soup. Deserve diri sa Tibok Pub. Kay
2 watermelon shake, 2 mango shake. Yeah. No, shake is fine. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. Ate,
Thank you, Paul.
It's beautiful.
Ayan yung in-order ng boss ko sa akin.
Nasaan na siya binto?
Simut sarap. Dito sa cookpad. Ayan. Ubos. Yung kanilang melon shake. And then there's the very tempting, presentable. Oh, very tempting, presentable mango, obi, flute. Looks yummy.